students, welcome to Quick Learn tutorial series. In this video, I will explain you BSR operating mode of 8255 Programmable Peripheral Interface. This is lecture number 4 of 8255. So before I discuss the operating mode of 8255, here I explain in brief what is 8255 Programmable Peripheral Interface. In my previous video, I have already explained about 8255 introduction, its block diagram, its pin diagram in detail. So here I explain the mode of operation of 8255. First, I will give you brief introduction of 8255. 8255 is basically a programmable peripheral interface chip that was developed or manufactured by Intel. Here the name suggested it is a programmable peripheral interface. It means it can be programmed. Peripheral means input-output device and interfacing means a device that provides communication between two components. So we can say that Programmable Peripheral Interface 8255 chip is a general purpose programmable input-output device that was designed by Intel to provide interfacing between the microprocessor and the input-output device, just like printer, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, keyboard, etc. 8255 is basically available in 40-pin IC. 8255 is economical, functional, versatile, flexible, but it is little bit complex. 8255 basically consists of 24 bidirectional input-output line that can be divided into 3 8-bit input-output ports, which can be configured as per the requirement. So as I have already told, 8255 having 24 bidirectional input-output line. These line is divided into 3 ports, each port having 8 bits. So it is divided into port A, port B and port C. Port A having 8 bit, port B having 8 bit and port C also having 8 bit. This port C is further divided into 2 parts, port C lower and port C upper. Port C lower having 4 bit, port C upper also having 4 bit. Port C lower include PC0 to PC3 bit or port C upper include PC4 to PC7 4 bit. Now these ports are further divided into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A contain the whole 8 bit of port A, that is PA0 to PA7, and the upper part of port C, that is PC4 to PC7. Now Group B contain 8 bit of port B, that is PB0 to PB7, 4 bit of port C lower, that is PC0 to PC3. So each group having 12 bit. These ports are work as a input port or work as a output port. This is decided by the operating mode of 8255. Now operating mode of 8255. 8255 is basically operate in 2 modes, BSR mode and input output mode. BSR mode stands for bit set or reset mode. This mode is used to set or reset the bit of port C. So we can say that BSR mode is used only for port C. Next is input output mode. Input output mode is further divided into 3 modes, mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. So in this video I will explain you only BSR mode. In my coming video, next video, I will explain you input output mode in detail. Now control world for operating mode of 8255. First we know about what is control world. In 8255 there is an 8-bit register known as control world register used to control the function of each port. The content of this register are known as control world. So it having 8 bit D0 to D7. Each bit define the particular function of the port. As I have already told, 8255 having 2 mode of operation. So the most significant bit of 8255, that is D7, decide in which mode 8255 is operating. If this bit is 0, 8255 work in BSR mode. As I have already told, BSR is bit set or reset mode. This mode is used for to set or reset the bit of port C, but it not affect the input output mode. If D7, the most significant bit of control word, is 1, 8255 work in input output mode. I have already told input output mode is further divided into three parts: mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. These input output mode I will explain in my coming video in detail. In this video I will explain you BSR mode. Now the control word for the BSR mode. BSR mode is defined by the most significant bit of control word, that is D7. If D7 is 0, 8255 work in BSR mode. If D7 equal to 1, 8255 work in input output mode. So the value for BSR mode D7 equal to 0. This mode is used to set or reset the 8 bit of port C only. This mode does not alter any previously transmitted control word with bit D7 equal to 1. So the input output operation of port A and port C are not affected by BSR control word. BSR control word register set or reset one bit at a time. So for BSR mode, D7 equal to 0, bit D6, D5 or D4 are not used and they are generally set to 0. Now the 3 bit D3, D2, D1 are the 8 bit of port C, that is PC0 to PC7. Out of these 3 bits, only one bit can set or reset at a time by D0 bit. If D0 bit is 1, it set all the bit. If D0 equal to 0, it reset the bit. Now the combination of these 3 bits decide which bit of port C can be set or reset. Here is the combination and which port is selected here is written. If the combination of D1, D2, D3 is 0, 0, 0, port C0 gets selected. 0, 0, 1, PC1 gets selected. 0, 1, 0, PC2 gets selected. 0, 1, 1, PC3 gets selected. 1, 0, 0, PC4, 1, 0, 1, PC5 gets selected, and 1, 1, 0, PC6 gets selected, and triple 1, 1, 1, 1, PC7 bit of port C gets selected. So in this way the control word of BSR mode can work. In my next video I will explain you input output mode of 8255 in detail. So stay continue. If you are the Hindi viewer of this channel, please visit my Hindi playlist of microprocessor and microcontroller. This topic I will explain in Hindi and upload it tomorrow.